Welcome to CloudFirst Technology. Dropbox enables you to store large amounts of data very easily. Anyone with a Dropbox account can share files and collaborate on documents. Files in Dropbox are automatically synced between your devices. Store your file data using 256-bit ICE encryption. Use a SSL/TLS secure tunnel to transfer. Rollback data and access recent versions of your files. Make your data safe from ransomware attacks. Thanks for watching this video, and for any service required you contact me now at
844-844-0769.